Good morning children. Welcome you again in LFCS online class. Class, I hope you all have right question answer and word meaning of chapter 2 in your CW copy. Today we have to do exercises of chapter 2 in our book. So let's open your science book. Open page number 22. Page number 22. Write down date here. CW and quotation. Strive for progress, not perfection. Have you done it? Write this quotation in your book. First question is tick the correct option. See first question. Mangrove trees grow in dash area. Mangrove trees grow in dash area. Option is marshy, plain, desert. You know mangrove trees is an example of marshy region plant. So our answer is marshy. Second is dash plants have broad leaves. Broad means होता है चौड़े. किस प्लांट के चौड़े पत्ते होते हैं? Fixed, floating और underwater plant. Answer is fixed. See next question. Dash of underwater plants have no stomata. Dash of underwater plants have no stomata. कि किस पार्ट के पास स्टोमेटा नहीं होता है? Leaves, stem, flowers. Answer is leaves. Fourth question. Turn over the page. Fourth, coniferous trees are found in option is plain, mountain, desert. Coniferous trees are evergreen trees and these are found in mountain. Last is duckweed is a dash plant. Option is fixed. You know answer, floating. Do it in your book everyone. Done? See next question. True or false? First question is plants in coastal region adapt themselves to survive in salty sea water. Coastal region मतलब तटीय क्षेत्र के पेड़ खुद को अडाप्ट कर लेते हैं सॉल्टी वाटर में सर्वाइव करने के. दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू और फॉल्स? इट इज ट्रू. सी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Mountains are terrestrial habitat of plants. Mountains are terrestrial habitat of plant. It is true. Third, floating plants have needle shaped leaves. Floating plants की leaves needle shape की होती है? No, it is false. Floating plants की leaves spongy होती हैं जिससे कि वो आसानी से water में float कर सकें. Right here, false. Next question, cactus growth in coastal regions. Cactus coastal region plant नहीं है. You all know it is desert plant. It is false. Fifth, roots of marshy plants grow above the ground. Marshy plants की roots ground के ऊपर grow करती हैं. True. Next question is fill in the blanks. It is done. Leaves lose water through a process called dash. Leaves से water lose होने की प्रक्रिया को कहते हैं transpiration. Second question is lotus is a dash plant. Lotus is a dash aquatic plant. लोटस एक कैसा एक्वेटिक प्लांट है? फिक्स्ड एक्वेटिक प्लांट है. राइट हियर फिक्स्ड. In first, transpiration, and in second figure, fixed. Third is trees of mountains bear cone instead of dash. माउंटेन ट्रीज जो होते हैं उनमें कोन्स बनते हैं किसकी जगह पर? लीव्स के प्लेस, सॉरी फ्लावर्स के प्लेस पे। फ्लावर्स की जगह उसमें क्या बनते हैं? कोन्स बनते हैं। Fourth is the weather in desert is dash and dash. The weather in desert is dry and dusty. And last question is people is commonly grown in dash region. People is commonly grown in coastal region. Do it neatly in your book. Done? Tomorrow we will start our next chapter, chapter 3, adaptations in animals. Okay? Note your homework. HW. Learn exercises of chapter 2 from book. Thank you, class.